Did you know the average office worker gets 121 emails every day? Now, did you also know that the average email open rate is 34.1%? Yikes, that's not real promising for most marketers. Making sure you have the right people on your email list is key to maximizing your open rate and click-through rate. Here's a quick way to grow your email list using your social sites. No matter where your social fans hang out, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Instagram, creating a social post that drives people to your website sign-up form is easy to create. You probably have a form on your website inviting people to sign up for your newsletter, right? Well, think about creating a graphic image to post on your social sites that tells people what they'll get. Your newsletter, a free packing guide, a dining guide, or some other downloadable freebie. Make sure this graphic image has a call to action right on it. You could say something like, "Get my free guide now." Then, write a post inviting people to sign up and download your magnificent lead magnet. How easy is that? Then you'll post this to your social sites and watch your email list grow, as people really love freebies. Go ahead, give it a whirl today.